Tonight, we're getting a closer look at body camera video from the night a Greensboro police officer shot and killed a man.
This happened on Tuscaloosa Street last summer. WXII 12's Kara Peters joins us live tonight with a breakdown. Kara?
Yes, that's right. Greensboro police released two different video angles, one from the police cruiser's mounted camera and the other body cam footage from the night of June 22nd, 2023. Now, we've decided to only show parts of the video, but we must warn you that it may come off as disturbing for some of our viewers.
22-1, shots fired, shots fired.
Video showing the moment Greensboro police officer John Corrigan fired 5 shots from inside his patrol car. According to investigators, officers initially got a call about a suspicious vehicle near Tuscaloosa Street, June 22nd of last year. Once Officer Corrigan arrives to the scene, footage shows what appears to be 51-year-old Graham Robertson flagging the officer down before pointing a gun on the passenger side of Corrigan's cruiser. Corrigan is then seen jumping out of the cruiser and investigating the area, searching for the gun and asking Robertson, "Where is it?" You then see what looks to be a black handgun from under the vehicle. Officials say 2 weapons were found at the scene, a semi-automatic BB gun and a toy revolver.
An EMS 1039, suspect shot multiple times. Signal 50, not conscious, not breathing.
Corrigan began performing CPR on Robertson until EMS arrived. Robertson was taken to the hospital where he later died. The SBI interviewed the officer and determined Corrigan's statements matched the evidence from the night of the shooting. Guilford County's district attorney previously decided not to file charges in the case, saying only a few seconds passed between Robertson pointing the gun and the officer reacting. And Chief Thompson mentioned today in a community briefing that when a use of force results in a loss of life, it not only directly impacts those involved, but also the greater community. Now, 2 things to mention when it comes to these videos released. The body cam video was not activated when Officer Corrigan was searching for the suspicious vehicle, but it did become activated once he stepped out of the vehicle, with the camera capturing 30 seconds prior to that activation. Also, the call about the suspicious vehicle came from the home of Robertson. Tonight, we're live outside GPD headquarters. I'm Kara Peters for WXII 12 News.